Lantern is a clinical stage oncology pharma company. We leverage a platform based on big data, genomics, and machine learning to rescue and revitalize failed or abandoned drug compounds. We call this platform RADAR.
RADAR associates massive molecular genomic data sets with drug sensitivity data. It identifies gene signatures that can then predict patient responses to cancer drugs. One of the strengths of RADAR is that it applies a series of features that then reduce a large number of biomarkers to a smaller, more manageable set of gene signatures that can then be used in diagnostics. Because our approach is at the intersection of AI, genomics, and drug development, we're a magnet for collaborations with academic institutions, biotechs, and healthcare companies.
Today, we're able to understand the genomic or biomarker basis of why certain patients respond exquisitely to certain therapies in cancer, while others fail to respond at all. At the same time, we're now able to access the computing power and algorithms required to make sense of the clinical and scientific data that is available to us, and then propose precision, focused trials that provide us and our shareholders with substantial IP protection and a compressed development timeline.
The majority of oncology treatments benefit only a small percentage of the patients treated. Our AI-enabled approaches define the cancer by its genetic signatures so that we can stratify patients into responders and non-responders.
At no other point in modern history has this been possible. We at Lantern can leverage this to de-risk and rapidly advance the personalization of cancer treatment. Today, we have 3 drugs at various clinical and preclinical stages of development: LP100, LP300, and our final asset, LP184.
Our first experience in rescuing LP100 led us to an industrialized effort to build a scalable, platform-based approach. This led us to incorporate AI approaches with machine learning to associate genetic signatures with drug sensitivity.
Lantern's approach to drug development is innovative and honest. We're trying to find the right patients for our drugs. We're not trying to treat all patients with our drugs with limited success. We're trying to find the highest success with a smaller number of patients.
We've built our company and business model to scale beyond these initial assets. We've built RADAR to enable us to identify and revitalize additional late-stage, failed or abandoned compounds and use them as potential combinations with our assets, potential assets of partners, or as monotherapy. The expensive and time-consuming history of oncology drug development is changing as a result of technological, regulatory, and scientific advancements, and Lantern is sitting at the perfect intersection of these events. These events, we believe, will fundamentally accelerate our pace to conquer cancer with precision and at the same time lower the development costs significantly.